How to make an icy slime. You need baby powder and glycerin. First, add much baby powder into your slime. As it is white like this, but it must be still stretchy. It felt very nice, but a little like chewing gum. But if the slime is like this, so it's perfect. It mustn't be so stretchy like this now. So you must add much more baby powder. As you can see, it is another texture. It's still stretchy, but it felt kind of nice. But I don't know what is this for a texture, because it's still a little stretchy. It's a slow stretch slime, but it felt a little sandy, like icy slime. So give it in the white powder, and if you want, you can wait 5 or 10 minutes. Then you will get the perfect icy slime. But if you don't want to wait any minutes, so you can look how to make it faster. The best idea is add much icy powder as you can add in, as it is not a little stretchy anymore. And no more clicky. It can't be clicky, because a clicky slime isn't the icy slime. But it must be still good for bubble pops, like this. It must be so stretchy like this, but it must be kinda nice and icy a little. So add a little more baby powder too, and then I think your slime is perfect. Then you can say, nice, this is my own icy slime. It's not a butter slime because it felt otherwise. So if you want try something, you can add some activator with some glycerin. You can add the glycerin with my baby powder. Then you will get a nice mousse that you can add into your slime. And I think it's worth it, so you can try it. Just try it. It's not so stretchy anymore, so I will say, if you really want an icy slime, so you can make that. But if you don't sure, so first look at the video and then like and subscribe, and then you can say if you want to make it or you don't want to make it, or you want a butter slime. If you want a butter slime, I can see you 2 things and you can make it if you want. But if you don't want to make anything of them, then I can say you must buy a slime by yourself. But anyways, it got some ideas to make an icee slime or make a butter slime with the other slime. So it always had some choices to make some slimes, different slimes. So I think if you got a slime and you want the other texture slime, so it isn't a big problem to make of one slime to the other texture of slime, so that's alright. I add some more glycerin because the slime isn't stretchy anymore. So I just wanna try it to make the slime more stretchier than before. The slime is just a little softer than before, but it's not more stretchier. But now it's kind of like an icee slime. If you felt it like I, then you would see it's a kind of like of icee slime. It felt pretty nice. And it's much better than some store-bought slimes. But just look at these bubble pops. That's not a butter or a stretchy or other wild slime. It just can be an icee slime. It looks like butter, but if you really felt it, it is an icee slime. I know it doesn't look like these icee slime, but this is a variation of icee slimes. So but if you want other, well, I will make a video because it's Christmas early. So I will say I will make some videos of much more slimes because it's Christmas, and I will get some more slimes for you, and I will make much more videos. So, and if you get a mess like I've got this mess here, I will pick this baby powder and glycerin up with my slime, and if it's not that good, then I'm very sorry, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah. But it looked very funny. It looked... Wait. I hope I can make a hand. Wait, I will make a hand slime. If it would worth it, then I'm very happy to tell you that, guys. But look, doesn't it look like a hand a little bit? No, it's too stretchy. It's kind of felt like a strawberry mochi dough. But maybe, look, I will make a mochi now. that's wheat, but it's baby powder and real. And I hope it looks like wheat. And now make it round. Now make it roundly. And now, does it look like a very big XXL mochi party? It's opened. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can get this baby powder away with some water and other help things. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and then I say goodbye. Bye.